In this video, I am going to give you the update about the listing of the Dotcoin token. All right, so if you are part of this project, yes, you have to watch this video. And if you are not able to buy the DTC mining machine, I am going to show you the process on how you can buy it. All right, so I created a video about this and there has been a lot of changes, so I'm going to explain everything to you. Okay, so first of all, let me talk about the listing, okay, of the listing update of the DTC token. Right, so I'm going to their Telegram channel. So now this is it. It says Dotcoin and Venom partnership. So strategic partnership with a great and strong team. And I was part of the Venom project when it started. Right, yes, so I have an account with Venom already. So now we are going to read this. It says that what this means for us. Okay, this is a very big event for the entire Dotcoin ecosystem. We will launch our token on Venom blockchain on the largest exchanges, and we will work closely with the Venom Foundation on a strategic planning. So basically, they are going to list, okay, their token on the Venom blockchain. And I think on Telegram we have two projects, okay, that is going to list, or that is being launched on the Venom blockchain. Okay, and this is the second one. Well, even though I joined the project and I didn't get what I expected, but the Venom blockchain is going to be great. All right, so that is it. So that is the lesson update. It is going to be listed on the Venom blockchain, and Venom, which is going to be great. Okay, they started just last year, so they are running high. All right, so that is the lesson update. So back here, well, I would have preferred Ton blockchain because Ton blockchain is moving far, but anyway, that's their own cup of tea. So I'm just going to click on their bot, then I'll walk you through. First of all, I want you to know that this is not the token itself. If you know already, that's very good, but if you don't know, I have told you now. Okay, this is not the DTC token. You need to buy a DTC mining machine, and that mining machine can help you to get more of the DTC tokens. Okay, so the native token of the Dotcoin ecosystem is DTC. It is not Dotcoin, it is DTC. Dotcoin is the project itself. You get it? Very good. So how can you get the DTC? So you need to buy the DTC mining machine. It's just like Bitcoin. Okay, people have machine in their houses that uses electricity to mine the Bitcoin, but for us, we are going to use our coin balance over here to buy the mining machine to mine more. All right, and if you're already mining already, you can see that you cannot buy more of the mining because you need to connect a different wallet other than the Ton wallet. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you. So all you have to do is just click on the wallet section. So if you don't know wallet section, this is the wallet section. Okay, just click on that wallet. Then you can see that this is the balance I have, and this is my DTC token that I have. So I have 254 DTC token. You understand? Then you can see it says connect wallet, and you can see that this symbol here is the Venom symbol, right? So all you have to do is you need to connect a Venom wallet. All right, so you can see that the Ton wallet that you connected is no more there. So how can you connect a Venom wallet? And if you have not connected a Venom wallet, what happens is that when I go to the boost section, so when I click on DTC mining to buy, you can see wallet is not connected. So I need to connect it before I can buy. So I'm going to show you how you can connect the Venom wallet. Now all you have to do is just click on connect wallet, which is this. Okay, connect wallet. So I am being taken to Google Play, so we need to install. That's the Google Play Store. Okay, so we need to install the app. All right, so now just click on enable and click on open. Then click allow. Then I already have an account, so I have to log in. But before I sign in, I want to show you how you can create it. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on create new account. So just this, then click on select. Okay, just this, click on select. Then you can see we have this, okay, this seed phrase. Make sure you copy all, or you write it on a piece of paper, or better so you copy it to somewhere safe so that you don't lose it. When you lose it, you lose your wallet forever. You have to know this. So I'm just going to click on copy all. Then I'm going to click on I have wrote it down on paper. So now they have to test it if you have truly written it down. So I am going to just paste it in my notes. So this is my note. I'm just going to paste it here. I'm going to name it Venom Wallet. Venom Wallet phrase. I'm going to use 2 because this is my second account. I already have an account over there. Then I'm going to save it. So I'm going back here to Venom. It says the third word. So I'm going to just check the third word. So the first word is atom. Second word is slide. So this is it. So first word, second word, and the third word is task, right? So I'm going to just click on task. So I'm going to just type task over here. So task. So you can see, let me click on confirm so I can set a password. So don't think this password is going to save you though. This password is only going to work on this phone. So in case someone gets your phone, the person will have to enter your password. But if the person has your seed phrase, the person can log in from anywhere without the password. So click confirm. No thanks. So let's use our fingerprint. And this is how, okay, you can create the Venom wallet, right? So it's very beautiful though. You can see it's very beautiful. Very simple. So I'm just going to click on the profile and I have to log out, okay? Or better still, I'm going to delete this account because I'm not going to use it. But I'm going to log in into my own account. So I'm going to click on delete and delete the account. So I've deleted it. So that seed phrase is useless. So I'm going to sign in with my seed phrase. So I have it. I'm going to just cover the screen. You are not going to see exactly, or maybe I'm just going to jump. Or better, so I'm going to cover the screen. So you are not going to see my seed phrase. So now click on confirm and I'm going to set my password. So no thanks, fingerprint. So now it's done. So I'm going back to Dotcoin. All right, so I'm just going to click on connect wallet. So I've been taken to Venom. So I'm going to click on connect wallet, connect, and you can see now wallet successfully connected. Return to game. So I have been returned to the game. So back, let's click on DTC mining. Still not connected, so let me connect it once again. Click on connect. Now you can see that it is connected, right? So back. So now I am going to buy the DTC mining machine again. I'm going to click on that. It says join. I have already joined. It says 7 friends. Invite 7 active friends. Wow. Then I can't do this. So I don't have 7 active friends for now. Yes, so if you have 7 active friends, so if you are buying it for the first time, you just need 1 active friend. If you are buying for the second, third, and the fourth time, yes, I think third time you need 1 friend. But if you are buying it for the 4th or the 5th time, you need to get more than 1 friend. That means 7 friend, as you can see mine. So when I click on upgrade, it will say no. Let's see. Oh yeah, let me go and check my friends. So friends list. Oh, okay, I have exactly 7 friends. Interesting. Yes, and you can upgrade it or buy the machine every 24 hours, every day. Okay, so that is it, providing you have it. So when I go to the boost section, I need 6.4 million to buy it. So what I have is just 3.6 million. So that means I need 3 more million to buy that. And I have to keep on tapping. And this is my tapping strategy. I use my 2 hands to tap, okay, so that it will be very, very fast. Okay, then get to the 4 times 4, then I'll just take my time, let it reduce. Okay, whilst this is running slow, so when it gets to this section, then I'll start tapping again. So just check something. So I'll just tap again, okay, and finish. So with that strategy, I'm able to get ×2 of what I supposed to get if I tap it straight like this. You understand? Yes. So that is it. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment at the comment section. Make sure you join my Telegram channel and also follow me on X. When you check the first comment, you are going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto projects. Make sure you join all those projects because they are great. My first one is Yes Coin, so don't joke with Yes Coin. All right, if you fail, that's your own cup of tea. All right, thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.